Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on Key to Markets. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's jump into it. Key to Markets is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, Indices, Commodities, shares, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4 Standard and Pro accounts with lower spreads, leverage, and no commissions on standard accounts. Featured platform for trading is supported on MetaTrader 4, which is available on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account on Key to Markets. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their website at keytomarkets.com. Next, on their home screen here, at the top of the page, you will see Open a Real Account and Open a Demo Account. Click on Open a Demo Account. Next, fill out your personal information such as your name, birth date, country of residence, phone number, email address, and create a password. After you have submitted your application, you will need to then confirm and verify your email address. Head over to your email and click on the link that Key to Markets has sent you. After you have verified your email address, what you'll want to do is open your demo account. On the main dashboard, in their Traders menu, head over to Accounts and click on Open a Demo Account. Fill in your preferred information there, and after you have opened your demo account, you will see a page that states your account has been created. What you'll want to do next is download and install MetaTrader 4. Head over to the Download section in the Traders menu and download MetaTrader 4. After you have downloaded and installed MetaTrader 4, log in with the information you received on the page prior. And just like that, we're in. This is a Key to Markets demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can change the chart types here from either line, candlestick, or bar charts. To zoom in and out of the selected chart window, simply use the magnifying glass buttons to the right of the chart types buttons. If you wish to open one of your main chart windows into a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button at the top right of the selected chart window. At the top left of the chart window here, we can see our quick buy and sell order window. This is where you can make quick buy and sell order executions on the selected trading instrument directly from its chart window. On the left side of the main dashboard here, we can see our Market Watch, which displays all the trading instruments that Key to Markets provides. Because we are trading with a demo account, this Market Watch is displaying currency pairs. If you wish to open an individual buy and sell order window for the preferred pair, simply right-click on the currency pair and click on New Order. This will then open a separate buy and sell order window which displays some additional information and its own line chart. If you wish to add a preferred currency pair into its own chart window, simply right-click on the selected currency pair and click on Chart Window. This will then add the pair into its own chart window in the center of the dashboard here. At the bottom left of the dashboard, we can see all the pairs that we have added into our primary chart windows. You can easily switch between these pairs from right here. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the Help section here at the top left of the dashboard. This will then display a few video tutorials and a Help Center which covers various aspects to platform functionality. Key to Markets features their very own news and analysis blog, which covers a variety of written trading topics for you to browse through as you please. One tip that could be beneficial to you if you're looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider educating yourself as much as possible about Forex trading and, more importantly, the risk in which you take when you are starting out. One key point here is to consider that Forex trading is much like any career, which is essentially exactly what it is. Consider applying to various webinars and reading as much as possible about trading risk and Forex in general. After you feel more comfortable with your education, the best idea would be to start putting this newfound knowledge to the test and practicing as much as possible on demo accounts, while slowly developing your own trading methods as an individual trader. Consider keeping a log or journal and write down all your thought processes, ideas, concepts, and what trends you are following. Over time, you will start feeling more confident with yourself and in turn will have various methods and strategies to help you avoid failure. And that's how to open a demo account on Key to Markets. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you're currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck.